picture of it.
Okay.
Look at the view. Okay, that's fine.
난 아이스크림을 잘 먹긴 하죠. This is the best restaurant I've ever seen in my life. What do you rate this? The lookings first.
First of all, 10 out of 10.
The view.
0 out of 10.
The view?
View?
Why?
It's hella good.
I think the view is perfect. I rated it 10 out of 10.
I think the view is, if anyone jumps on this thing, it's gonna fall.
Yeah, I'm going to cry if I do a bungee jump from this. Mama, what do you rate the lookings of this restaurant?
It's beautiful. But just
what
by
out
the
of
fact that it's on top of the highest building.
Yeah.
But the toilet is so old.
what out of 10? The lookings.
Looks? You mean not lookings?
The look.
I don't know, 7?
You see better things?
7? How about the view?
The view is cycle.
The view is terrifying.
10.
Me too, 10.
0. Not 0, but 5.
I wonder
the
what
Tokyo Tower is better.
Tokyo Tower is higher. And then after Tokyo Tower is Sky Tree, and the highest building, Burj Khalifa. Ice cream, 最高だね。
I trust you. I'll take the dessert for last. I'll put a special space in my stomach for us.
Mama? もうランと新さつける
もうデザートなの？
も
俺は最初からもうデザートだった。Daddy, what do you rate the looks
The looks?
of the restaurant?
It's nice. Lala.
What out of 10?
Just for the view, 8.5. But je viens de me rendre compte. C'est des trucs industriels. Parce que je viens de voir d'avoir des samples exactement la même des camélés, les vapeurs.
I mean, not the view, but
Yes.
only the looks.
Because of the view, it has 8.5.
How about the view?
What do you rate the view?